Hey everybody, today's video is brought to you by Dollar Shave Club. You'll recognize them as a longtime channel sponsor, and I want to thank them for that. But I don't really have to because they make an excellent shaving product. And shaving is something that we do virtually every day, and that's why we want to generally save money and be comfortable at the same time using a quality product. Dollar Shave Club has you covered for all your grooming needs: shower, oral care, deodorants, and most importantly, shaving. Get ready for an incredible, smooth shave with their starter set. It comes with an executive handle, which is nice and weighty, and 4 quality 6-blade razors. It also comes with a 3-ounce tube of Dr. Carver shave butter, which is transparent for a more precise shave and helps prevent ingrown hairs and fight razor bumps. For a limited time, new members get their first month of the executive razor with a tube of their Dr. Carver shave butter for only $5. After that, the restock box ships regular sized products at regular price. So check out dollarshaveclub.com/superspeedersrob to get your starter set today. That's dollarshaveclub.com/superspeedersrob. I put a link right below in the description. Ah, yes, you remember my truck, right? Well, here it is, my old ass truck. And you'll notice that the black tail, we'll call it the black tail for now, the exhaust is underneath here. Down there, but we're shooting lots of black smoke out of here, and we thought it was probably because we just did all the injectors. We thought maybe that it was the EGR, so we swapped the EGR, and we still have the same problem. It's essentially rolling coal everywhere it goes. But we need the truck to go get the lift from the other shop, so that will have to wait till another day, and we're going to have to pollute the environment. But this winch here, if you saw that, sort of went to shit real quick. Check this out. So this broke off. It's supposed to be in there. I guess it's sort of like rusted out. I don't know why. Broke off. And then this contact here slides in and out. And that's a problem. It's about to break off. It seems this one is fixed. This one doesn't make a good connection. So I reached out to the company, Superwinch, but Superwinch was bought by another company, so I reached out to the warranty department, sent them everything, and then I sent like 11 follow-ups, and they never got back to me. After they're like, oh yeah, please send us information. Like, because when you assume a company, you assume the liabilities, you assume warranty claims, and this winch that I got on Amazon effectively like crapped the bed inside a year, and they weren't able to do anything. So now, in order to get the other lifts up on this truck, which I can't use my other truck because it's got the ridge here, and the lifts stick out a little bit, to get the lift up on this truck, we need the winch. The hand winch we have, but it's just a pain in the ass since this is already wired up. We went to Harbor Freight, got another winch, and we should be good to go. But if you're wondering where the truck was, it's at Jeff's, looking ugly. But not for long. Once we get the smoke clear, once the smoke clears, we'll get that new front bumper on it, and then I'm gonna super wrap the entire thing. And even the bed that we painted, that's a primer anyway. We're gonna super wrap the entire thing white. Then we can throw the graphics on, and then we could check one off as far as completed projects, because I'm really good at starting them. It's just the completion of them is the issue. But let's go get the lifts.
I hope I get that up. He's like a fish at the end of the line.
Look at the toe that guy's got. Look at that foot. Oh, sick up.
The weight part of that.
Under pressure.
Yes.
There goes my building slide like this.
It's going so well. Right up until about there. So here's the ultimate plan here. We're gonna try to skate up over that piece of wood, jack that up, clear the corner. I think we're about 2 pulls away from where we want to be. All right, wait, it's clear now. Wait, so you gotta get these wheels up and over.
Okay.
Wait,
Every bird, every woman.
I think the wheels are all both up.
Yeah, they're both up.
They're both up, Jeff. We're good. All right, so here's where we stand. These are fairly tight, but we have to drive over the road to death to get there, which is the bumpiest, shittiest road in Bergen County.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
I ordered the sensors. They'll be here Tuesday.
Good luck, everybody.
I started this already. I gotta get it done.
All right, pretty. All right. Smoking lift truck. It's new. Come on, seatbelts. Oh, baby. This is not normal. Anyone that thinks this is normal lives in a really shitty place. That little Greta Van Nostrand girl, or whatever that climate control girl is, she is so angry with me right now. I can see her nostrils flaring in my mind. Okay, so that was the majority of it. Here is our lot. Now here is the worst part. This is the road of death. This road is a complete nightmare. Thank you to the town of Teaneck, New Jersey. But it'll be nice to have my lift back. I think we sort of have a success here. The worst is over. Just one turn away. Not too fast, not too fast. All right. All right, keep going.
All right.
Boom.
Yes.
We're down.
All right.
All right, go get your camera. Get the camera. Get the camera.
And that is a success. Now this is what the wheels were designed for, which is moving it around on a smooth surface.
Big success.
For those of you not familiar with my other company, I started a company called Adventure Drives, which combines driving and bucket list travel. It's a lot of fun. If you're interested, prices can be done per person. Don't worry if you don't have somebody to go with you, we can match you up with somebody. You can check the link in the description for adventuredrives.com and sign up today.